India Live has been, in fact, I would not say our baby, but in fact, I've been involved with India Live since the inception because of the good relationship, not only with our local news director, but also with international faculty who have been our invitation. This India Live has been particularly, I would say, has been a little different from this because the academic content has been quite precise, I would say. And last year, a year before, Bombay, Chennai, of course in Delhi, I've been attending all of them as a faculty, I've been lecturing also. I would say that the scientific content, especially with the faculty coming from outside India, the French people, other part of the Asian countries, Americans, they have been exceptionally good in giving the impact and the message to the local interventional cardiologists from India that what is the latest update, how to do the best with the clinical patients and giving the best of the outcomes. Especially the industry participation has been quite good and warm welcome. It has been a very warm ambience here. And I congratulate the organizers in general that they should continue this endeavor of India Live with more and more international participation. But of course not forgetting the national speakers who are also doing a great job. Because now in India we are doing approximately more than 150,000 PCIs a year, which is of course still lesser than France, and which has less population. And as we know all, that our main deterrent in getting more number of PCI is not the patients, but of course the cost. Because in our country, the national security is not much. Patient has 80% patients are paying by their own self, and 20% are insured by the government or the private insurance companies. So we are just treating the tip of the iceberg. That means we are treating not more than 30% of the Indian coronary artery disease patients, which is of course the major chunk of the treatment of interventions. And the rest 70% are either on medical treatment or else they die waiting because they cannot afford it. So I would also request, in fact, the government has done some efforts in reducing the cost, but also the cost cannot be reduced after a certain level because these companies who have in fact invested huge amount of money in getting a new device, for example, a coronary stent. They do a lot of research, and then of course there has to be some margin because of course there's an investment-based company, they're not doing charity. But I would like and appreciate if more and more insurance company or government making an effort to see that every citizen of India should be insured. What is happening in France, you will not believe it. In fact, many people do not know. Every citizen, if he has a French passport, because I worked in France, so I know a little bit more than other people. If he is just a French national, he's treated free of cost wherever he goes in the hospital there. And the similar system has to come in India because in India we don't have major. We are not deficit in the money. We have lot of money. India, when our Prime Minister can request the US government if they want some money from our side. So if we can donate money to US when they were in some financial problems, that means we have enough money. The only thing is how to channelize it. Our poor population, we feel pity when they come to Apollo Hospital, for example, myself, and they say, oh no, I have only 1,100,000 rupees. And I cannot offer angioplasty because our hospital is a corporate hospital. So I feel bad that these patients cannot go and they have a waiting list and they don't find time in their other government hospitals. I feel that the most important thing other than education is to see that all citizens of India, irrespective of they are BPL or not BPL, they should be insured by some system, and which is not difficult. We can follow the French people because we can follow the US is not like that, but most of the European countries, they have a system that every citizen is insured. So this is, I think, that we have the collective responsibility to do from all over, the industry, the government, ourselves, the interventional cardiologists, the India Live. We also do Indo-European course, IECR. So we are also trying to develop this similar system, Indo-European course of revascularization. Most of the faculty which are coming from India, in India Live, they are also part of our IECR, Indo-European course of revascularization, which I mentioned earlier. So we have a collective responsibility. In fact, the media has a big responsibility. So they have to pressurize the government or some private agency to see that every citizen is insured so that they can have the benefit of the advancement. If you cannot treat a patient, what is the advantage? The major advantage is going to the tip of the iceberg when I tell you that 20% that can treat it. So we have to see that this advancement, whatever is coming, every patient of India has to be benefited. Thank you very much.